What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you guys how to delete this pony emblem from your Mustang. You gotta take this whole thing off.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of push pins, right? There's a few of them around. You just twist it off. So it's like a screw on.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Alright. Put that one through and you twist this. Just twist it this way. There you go. And that's off. Now you got access to remove these. The 10mm. How many are there? Like
three 10mm.
There's one under here too.
Yeah, there's two on the left. Two here.
Yeah, so those things just push in. You just pry it right off. There's a 7mm bolt in there you gotta take off. Do the same thing on both sides. Be sure to unplug the camera. There's these two tabs in here, so you can just push that back. So use a flathead, get it in there, and just push it up. Now you can just pull it up. It'll pop. It'll make the pop sound. There you go. There you go. See? Look over here. These are all the pins that goes in there. So you just pull it outwards. Pull it backward this way. Yeah, and do the other side real quick. There's a flathead. Yeah, pull it straight up. And now is the middle ones. You gotta go inside and get the other one, the bottom one. Get in. Yeah, get once those push in. Once you got the middle two popped, they'll come right out. So all your weather stripping. So there's these pins that go in. Badge delete, bro. Just keep it like this.
Yeah, let's keep it like that.
Just kidding. Now you gotta get the Mustang emblem off. So you're just gonna have to break that apart. Use a flathead to get it off. That's an interesting way to attach it. So there's your Mustang logo. It's pretty much like glued in the back. That's interesting. Ford weight saving. There's your part number if anybody needs that. Clear all this up. You just gotta use like a plastic tool. Go in there and get it out. Literally come out. Is there one behind here? Is that one?
Got all.
Yeah. There you go. That's it. No more Mustangs. Clean in some goo gone.
Gooby gone.
Go and get rid of the Mustang. From the Mustang. Oh, pony, right? That's what they call it.
The pony, yeah, the horse emblem.
Pony from the Mustang. Push it up in there. Well, actually line it up. Yeah, line up the...
Alright,
There you go. Yeah, you're good. Just push all middle part in.
Alright,
go.
awesome.
Alright, we're in.
Oh, wait, this part in. Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, just push the weather stripping in there.
Weather strip likes to be
You
in
gotta
the way.
put these two screws back first.
And back on. With these three.
It doesn't go here. This on the other side.
Alright, we're gonna put these both.
Those three 10mm back on. Putting everything back together.
Final product is on its way.
This, yeah, this. Push fins for days. No more Mustang pony. Alright guys, thank you. Hit that like and subscribe.